Yeah, hello. So today I'm gonna make a tutorial with the song Lightning by Gallager. It's a very simple song with only 4 chords. Yeah, you can play the whole 4 chord for the whole song. It's very easy. Here's the chord. First, E major. E major. It says 0, 2, 2, 1. Yeah, 0, 2, 2, 1. A major. The next is the B5, the B5 chord. Here, yeah, it's 0, 2, 4, 4. Yeah, 0, 2, 4, 4 here. 0, 2, 2, 4, 4. The next is Db5 is 0, 4, 6, 6. Yeah, you just use as the B5. Yeah, where you think it's next in the second fret, you just slide it to the 4th fret. Okay. Second, 4. Yeah, very easy. Okay, and next and the final is A major. A major. First, easy. It's 0, 0, 2, 2, 2. Yeah. Yeah, 2, 2, 2. Okay, with the whole song. For example. Yeah, you can play it for the whole song. Let's see the left hand chords, but with the right hand. Here the technique. With the beginning of the song, you can play like this. E major, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Yeah, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Yeah, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Yeah. So let's make an example. With a pre-chorus, you hear the sound. Yeah, this technique called pan mute, and how we can do it? You can use the side of your right hand. You place it on the string. It will make the string mute, and it will sound like this. Yeah, very easy. And how when we use it? Yeah, just place like it. Yeah, already par mute, and we'll sound it. Yeah, I hope you notice me sometime. I hope you will with me, be my everything, you my sunshine. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, still that's 4 chords, but it have a little different with the beginning of the song. With the E major, you use the technique I've said before. Down, up, down, down, up. Yeah, you play it 2 times. For example, down, up, down, down, up. That's 1 time. Down, up, down, down, up. It's 2 times. With the E major, with the last 3 chords, you play just 1 time. And here is example: 2 times with E major. Down, up, down, down, up. Down, up, down, down. Up, that 2 times, chain chord, 1 time, down, up, down, down, up, chain chord, down, up, down, down, up, and then song. So with the part that use pan mute technique, you only use one time. Yeah. Notice me sometimes like you would be mine. Take on my sunshine. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, you should like 4 times. Yeah. With the chorus, yeah, just play one time with each chord. So here the example: down, 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 up, and chain chord. Down, 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 up, and then down, 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 up, then down, 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 up. Yeah, that's at the end of the song. You can play it. For example, with the chorus. Because I'm lightning, lightning, and it's frightening, frightening. I don't ever think I'll be the same again. You're my interest, my girl, you're my princess, my world, everything, everything to me. Oh, 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 oh. Lightning, lightning, and it's frightening, frightening. I don't ever think I'll be the same again. You're my interest, my girl, you're my princess, my world. Oh, oh. Yeah, you can play the whole song. So, in summary, I will summary all the song for you. The technique, only 2 techniques. With the beginning of the song, E major, you play 2 times, and with the pre-chorus and the chorus, you play 1 time with the chord. So I will assemble the whole song with the beginning, the pre-chorus, and the chorus. Yeah. From a distance, the corners of my eye. So from a distance, she make me wanna smile. Face cute, beautiful, she like understand now. I hope you notice me sometime. I hope you do it, be mine. Girl, you're my sunshine. Oh, 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 it's like a lightning, lightning, and it's frightening, frightening. I don't ever think I'll be the same again. You're my interest, my girl, princess, my world. Yeah, if you see this video of Henry Gallager on YouTube, in the end of the song, he just pitch up 1 scale. So how we do it? From E, B5, Db5 A major, you change to these 4 simple chord to tone up. Study G major, yeah, D major, yeah, to the E minor, and to the C, yeah. So here's for example, come by lightning, lightning, and it's frightening, frightening. I don't ever think I'll be the same again. Come by lightning, lightning, and it's frightening, frightening. I don't ever think I'll be the same again. You're my interest, my girl, you're my princess, my world, everything, everything to me. Yeah. So this is the whole song. Very simple. I hope you can play this song. Yeah.